Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to use Google Sheets on your iPhone. So basically the important thing you need to do is just go install the Google Chat application, the Google Sheet application. You just need to go type into the app library search button here in App Store, and then you just need to visit the App Store right away, and then you just need to wait until it's perfectly opened. And the next thing you need to do is just go slightly click the search button and then go type the Google Sheets on the search site. Right after that, you just need to go click it and make sure you install this application with this icon. And after you finish installing it, you just need to go click open button, and they will bring you into the Google Sheet application on your iPhone. So if you want to create the new documents, you just need to go click this plus button on this bottom side. But then if you haven't logged in, you just need to follow the instruction. There will be only one button on your screen, and then you just need to go click it and log in with your Google account. And now you just need to go click this plus button. You can choose either you want to use the template that provided by the Google Sheet itself, or you can also have the blank sheets by Google this new spreadsheets, and then you just need to prepare the title of your document. And right after that, you just need to go click create. And now the application will prepare blank documents that containing cells. So what cells actually? Cells is the combination between the columns. The column will be the A, B, C, D, E, N, and so on and so on, and rows will be like 1, 2, 3, and so on and so on. So the combination between this column and the rows will be create a cell. So these active cells will call the A1 cells, which is the combination between the A column with the 1 rows. So you just need to type this button to add the informations over it. You just need to type like dates, and then you can also add more informations over it. So whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button, and you can just go click this checklist button on the top left corner and go back, and those documents will be automatically saved. If you want to edit those documents again, you just need to go open the application and open the documents that you saved before. So that is the way how to use the Google Sheet application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.